Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we'll go through the process of filling up the census form online. The census has started all over India. In Maharashtra, it is from 1st of May, that is today, till 15th of May. And in Jammu and Kashmir, it's from 15th of May to 30th of May. Let me share my screen with you real quick. So first of all, you need to just open the browser and type in se.census.gov.in. Once you are there, it will ask you for your state. For example, I can just select Maharashtra for the time being and enter the CAPTCHA. KB3. All right, then it gives this message that through this portal you may provide information for house listing operations, that is HLO, and pertaining to your household. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete this process. And after you submit this online form, you will get self-enumeration ID, SEID, through SMS and email. And when the census enumerator visits your house, please share this SEID with him or her to facilitate the completion of HLO of your household. All right. So we'll press OK and continue with our process. So name of the household head, mobile number. So you will get, which we can type in even our email ID. And in order to verify, we'll get one OTP, which we have to enter here. Okay. So as soon as we get the OTP, we should enter it here. I'm just waiting for that. All right. Okay. All right. Now, we need to go, first of all, make sure these, we have to fill in the state, district, and location of your residence. Okay, it should be exact location. And then the household details, about your floor, what kind of material is used in your house. Is it kacha house or pakka house? Things like that. So you have to respond to these questions. Then comes the total number of persons residing in your household, head of the household, what is your name in your chosen language. I have selected English, and the other details. If you are not from any reserved categories, you should select other. And depending upon your house ownership, you should select, I have selected owned. And if you have a 2-bedroom hall kitchen, you should mention 3. If you have 1-bedroom hall and kitchen, then you should mention 2, because kitchen, bathroom, and any passages should not be considered. The number of bedrooms, and if any dining hall or a separate hall is there, that can be considered as another room. Then we have amenities. How about the water and drinking water source, main source of lighting, and there are some basic questions about your household. Do you have a cooking gas? Is it in LPG, PNG connection? And electricity availability, tap water, and all that. And then you have some questions about basic questions about what you have in your household in terms of phones, laptops, or television sets and computers, and your bike, car, and other, what type of food do you have? Do you really depend upon rice or any other food grains? So this is how it looks like, and then you have to finally submit. And once you submit, you will receive the ID, which you have to keep with yourself. And once a government representative visits your home in the next few weeks, you can just share it, and then they can complete the rest of the formalities. There is another set of questions about your religion, about your each individual's details. You don't have to submit any documents, any proof, no Aadhaar card to be provided, no other documents to be provided, just the information about each and every person residing in your household. And if anybody is outside say outside of India, you can even include them. If anybody has gone in a different state and not currently present, you can even include them. Don't miss anyone in your phase 2 when the representatives will visit your house. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 9867 291515. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.